Ready to whip up the best spaghetti carbonara of your life? Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need spaghetti, eggs, Parmesan cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. Easy, right? Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook your spaghetti till it's al dente. That means firm to the bite, folks. While that's happening, fry your pancetta until it's nice and crispy. Oh, the smell is divine. Now, in a bowl, whisk together eggs and Parmesan cheese. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Once your spaghetti is ready, drain it and toss it straight into the pancetta pan. Mix it well, coating every strand with that crispy pancetta goodness. Turn off the heat, then quickly stir in the egg and cheese mixture. Keep stirring, and voila! You've got creamy, dreamy carbonara. Finally, sprinkle some black pepper on top and you're done. Simple, delicious, and oh so satisfying. That's it, folks. Now you know how to make spaghetti carbonara like a pro. Happy cooking!